Everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well and welcome back to our channel. So let's get fun with doing the another video tutorial, and here I will use the soundtrack of Empat Mata or Four Eyes. This is one of the famous song in Indonesia, and I will adjust it and create a mini video that also embedded with this song. So I will play the song partially to avoid the copyright. So as you can see here, I am going to make the simple video, and to start with, don't forget to upload the favorite picture from your gallery, and after that you need to change the aspect ratio, and here I'm using the TikTok version 9 and 16 and apply it. And after that, don't forget to prepare the music also here. And after that, I have also set some beats of it following the bass of this music. As you can see, if I extend the music, then it's already set the several beats that also that this picture will also follow the beat and the movement itself, and apply it. And after that, for the every beat, I will also divide this picture into the several parts, and after that I will also add the keyframe so that this picture can move following the beats of this music. So for example, here I have divide or separate several from the one picture to become several parts. If I describe you the beats, so it's gonna like this. Da, 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 da. There you go. So I will do the rest for this picture to split it and also adjust the position to become a mirror. I will split it first to become several part of clip. Click it. Make sure that it's already is it precisely on the bit itself. Doing the editing also need the step by step, but also time management, guys. So make sure that you have already planned about what effect and what your purpose to create this video. Split it again, and there you go. Then I will check again about the picture that I haven't changed the position. There you go. It will start from here, how to change the position to become a mirror. Then I will click that clip and slide this menu to become transform and mirror. And I will do the rest of the picture. There you go. So guys, please, you can also put your comment down below. Are you the fan of music that use the high beat and you can create the video of it? Please, you can give us the reference about the music that can be recommended to create the video. Mirror. Almost there, don't give up. And also this clip. And after that, don't forget to add the keyframe for each video. So as you can see here, first step, I will minimize, I will put the keyframe on the first second of the clip, and after that I will minimize the size of this picture. Then I will slide it to the last second of the clip. Then I will slightly expand the size of this video, and I will do the same for the rest of the clip. As you can see here, I have also prepared for you that I have prepared the movement and also add the keyframe so that this every single clip has its own movement and follow the beat. Excuse me, I will minimize the volume of this video clip. Then let's see the result. Volume, I will minimize it, and there you go. Dum 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 dum. That's the rhythm of the beat of this music. That's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or recommendation about the high beat music that we can help you to edit the music, please put it on a comment down below, and don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.